A very good morning to you all. In this series of videos, today I am going to tell you about a chemical salt washing soda. It is the common name of the chemical washing soda. Chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. It is a hydrated salt. It means 10 molecules of water is attached with the molecule of sodium carbonate as water of crystallization. So the chemical formula of washing soda is this: Na2CO3 10H2O, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Its name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. It is produced from NaCl. As we know, NaCl common salt is a raw material for many chemicals. It means a number of chemicals are produced from common salt, that is sodium chloride. Preparation: when the concentrated solution of NaCl plus ammonia plus carbon dioxide. It means when a concentrated solution of sodium chloride, that is called brine, react with ammonia and carbon dioxide, then sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride are produced. When concentrated solution of sodium chloride, that is called brine solution, reacts with ammonia and carbon dioxide, we get sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. Sodium bicarbonate, this chemical obtained during the reaction is slightly soluble in water. Yes, it is slightly soluble in water, so it is obtained as solid, white solid. Sodium bicarbonate is washed. We wash it and dry. The sodium bicarbonate obtained is washed and dried. When after getting a dried sodium bicarbonate, on heating sodium bicarbonate, we get washing soda, sodium carbonate and water. On heating, sodium bicarbonate gets decomposed to give sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide gas. In this way, we produce washing soda. Properties of washing soda: it is a white crystalline solid. It is a metal carbonate which is soluble in water. Metal carbonates are generally insoluble in water, but this metal carbonate, I mean to say that sodium carbonate is soluble in water. Aqueous solution of sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. I mean to say that aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is alkaline in nature. It means it acts as a base. It has cleansing property, as clear from the name washing soda. It means it is used as cleansing agent to clean the clothes. Usage. There are a number of usages of washing soda, that is sodium carbonate. It is used as cleansing agent. It is used as cleansing agent to clean, to wash clothes for domestic purpose. It is used in the manufacture of soap, glass and paper. It means sodium carbonate is used in paper industry, glass industry and soap industry. It is used to manufacture sodium compounds and borax. Borax is a familiar compound whose formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O. It is the formula of borax. Washing soda sodium carbonate is used to produce borax, sodium borate decahydrate. It is the compound, hydrated compound, sodium borate decahydrate. It means the one molecule of sodium borate, that is borax, contains 10 molecules of water of distillation. Okay, thanks.